My dear audience, now I shall deliver lecture on direct part second or narration part second. All of you are hereby requested to hear me very attentively so that it may be very useful for you. Imperative sentences, use of some common verb. Number 8, for command, use order, tell, bid, request, etc. Number 2, for request, use ask, desire, etc. For number 3, for entity, earnest quest, use beseech, etc. For provision, use forbid, etc. For precept, advise, use advise, urge, escort, etc. Remember the following. Number 8, it is used after reported verb. नंबर 2, टेंस इज नॉट चेंज. विद्यार्थी की हमेशा याद रखिए कि इम्पेरेटिव टेंसेज में कभी टेंस चेंज नहीं होता. द इम्पेरेटिव मूड इज चेंज इनटू इम्पराटिव. नंबर 4, नेगेटिव इम्पेरेटिव की अवस्था में डू को हटाकर नॉट का प्रयोग किया जाता है. नंबर 5, नेगेटिव सेंटेंस में जहाँ आस्कर का प्रयोग हो वहाँ डू नॉट को नॉट टू और नेबर को नेबर टू में बदल दिया जाता है. जैसे नंबर 1, टीचर सेड टू द स्टूडेंट स्टैंड अप ऑन द बेंच. द टीचर ऑर्डर्ड द स्टूडेंट टू स्टैंड अप ऑन द बेंच. नंबर 2, माई फादर सेड टू मी डोंट टेल ए लाई. इसका इंटरेक्ट होगा माई फादर एडवाइज मी नॉट टू टेल ए लाई. नंबर 3, सुनीता सेड टू टीचर प्लीज ग्रांट मी लीव फॉर टुडे ओनली. सुनीता रिक्वेस्टेड हर टीचर टू ग्रांट हर लीव फॉर दैट डे ओनली. नंबर 4, the Mali said to the children, don't pluck the flower. Mali forbid children not to pluck the flower. यदि लेट सुझाव प्रपोजल को व्यक्त करे तो रिपोर्टेड वर्ब सेड टू को प्रपोज में या सजेस्टिव में बदल दिया जाता है. लेट के स्थान पर शुड का प्रयोग होता है. जैसे ही सेड टू मी लेट अस गो देयर फॉर ए पिकनिक. ही प्रपोज्ड टू मी दैट we should go there for a picnic. Number 2, he said, let the bus come to the bus. He expressed my determination that it was not afraid even the bus come to the bus. My father said to me, ये direct है, इसका indirect क्या होगा? My father said to me, but a naughty boy you are. My father expected you that I was a naughty boy. यदि लेट अलाउ या परसेड के भाव को व्यक्त करें तो सेड टू को ऑर्डर या रिक्वेस्ट में बदल देते हैं और इन्वर्टेड कॉमा के स्थान पर टू का प्रयोग होता है. जैसे ऑफिसर सेड टू द पीएन लेट द बॉयज कम इन. इसका इंटरेक्ट होगा ऑफिसर ऑर्डर द पीएन टू लेट द बॉयज कम इन. यदि लेट कंडीशन या सुपोजिशन के भाव को व्यक्त करता है तो सेड टू को टोल में बदलकर माइट का प्रयोग होता है और इन्वर्टेड कॉमा के स्थान पर दैट का प्रयोग करते हैं. जैसे ही सेड टू मी लेट हिम वर्क हार्ड इवन देन he cannot win a scholarship. He told me that he might work hard even then he could not win a scholarship. Now एक्सक्लेमेटरी सेंटेंस में डायरेक्ट से इंटरेक्ट कैसे बनता ये ध्यानपूर्वक सुनेगा. इन वाक्यों में रिपोर्टेड वर्ब को निम्नलिखित विधि से बदलते हैं. सेड टू को बराबर है एक्सक्लेम्ड विद सॉरो और लाल आ अवस्था में. सेड टू नंबर 2, सेड टू विद जॉय हुर्रा औशो आ की अवस्था में. नंबर 3, सेड इज इक्वल टू है एक्सप्लेन विद रिक्वेस्ट और सॉरी की अवस्था में. नंबर 4, सेड बराबर है एक्सप्लेन विद सरप्राइज ओ बट. नंबर 5, सेड एक्सप्लेन विद कॉन्टेम्प्ट पू या पर हो आदि. अच्छा. नंबर 6, सेड एक्सप्लेन विद अपोर्ट सेइंग ब्रोगो। अच्छा, बट और हाउ को हटाकर बैरियर ग्रेड लगाते हैं। इन्वर्टेड कॉमा के स्थान पर दैट लगाया जाता है। टेंस ऑफ वर्ब प्रोनाउन आदि भी नियमानुसार बदलते हैं। एक्सप्लेनेटरी सेंटेंस को सिंपल में बदल दिया जाता है। ये इसके ढंग हैं डायरेक्ट से इंडायरेक्ट करने के। एक नंबर 5 है ऑप्टेटिव सेंटेंस, इच्छा सूचक वाक्य। ऑप्टेटिव सेंटेंसी में रिपोर्टिव वर्ब को निम्नलिखित विधि से बदला जाता है। सेड और सेड टू को विश्ड, गुड मॉर्निंग और गुड नून, गुड आफ्टरनून, गुड इवनिंग की अवस्था में इन्वर्टेड कॉमा को हटा के कंजक्शन नहीं लगाया जाता। सेड और सेड टू को बेड, गुड नाइट, गुड डे और फेयरवेल की अवस्था में विश्ड और बेड के आगे अभिवादन वाला शब्द लगता है। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, नंबर 1, ही सेड टू मी गुड मॉर्निंग सर। इसका जो इंटैक्ट होगा, ही रेस्पेक्टफुली विश्ड मी गुड मॉर्निंग। नंबर 2, ही सेड गुड बाय फ्रेंड, ही बेड हिज फ्रेंड गुड बाय। नो, नंबर 3, नो, वुड दैट और फॉर की अवस्था में रिपोर्टिव वर्ब सेड टू को विश्ड में बदल जाता है। जैसे ही सेड टू मी would that you were here at the time, he wished that if I had there at that time. No, may और may God की अवस्था में रिपोर्टिव वर्ब सेड टू को प्रेड में बदला जाता है। प्रोजेक्शन दैट ऑन का प्रयोग होता है। जैसे he said to me, may I long live, he prayed that I might live long. Note, I were की अवस्था में सेड को विश्व में और वर्ब को बुक में बदलकर विश्व प्रोडक्शन दैट का प्रयोग होता है। जैसे ही सेड इफ आई वर ए किंग, ही विश्ड दैट इफ आई वुड, ही विश्ड दैट इफ ही वुड बी ए किंग। नाउ आई रिक्वेस्ट all of the audience to hear the typical sentences of indirect or narration very carefully. They are thoroughly asked in examination. They are very, very important examination point of view. So you should listen to me very attentively. This is very useful for you. Number 8, she said to us, let us have some music. इसका इंटैक्ट होगा, शी प्रपोज अस दैट शी शुड हैड कम म्यूजिक। नंबर 2, ही सेड लेट मी लीव सम, he said let me have some tea. He asked that he might have some tea. He said to the teacher, let me go home. He requested the teacher to let him go home. Number 4, Mohan said to the friend, if you cannot come today, you may come tomorrow. Mohan told his friend that if he cannot come that day, he might come next day. Number 5, he said, my marriage comes off next Monday. He said that his marriage would come off next Monday. Number 6, Prime Minister said, ladies and gentlemen, let us all do our duty for welfare of the motherland. इसका इंटैक्ट कैसे किया जाता है, ध्यानपूर्वक सुनेगा। ड्रेसिंग द ऑडियंस, प्राइम मिनिस्टर सेड दैट दे शुड डू देयर ड्यूटी फॉर द वेलफेयर ऑफ द मदरलैंड। नंबर 7, रामा फॉरगिव मी सर, ओ ऑल राइट सेड, रामा रिक्वेस्टेड मी टू फॉरगिव हिम एंड आई एग्री टू हिज रिक्वेस्ट। नंबर 8, ही सेड लेट आउट देयर इज ए स्नेक बिहाइंड यू। He warned him that there was a snake behind him. He said to me, thank you for this useful advice. He thanked me for that useful advice. Number 10, my friend said to me, beware of pickpockets. इसका इंटैक्ट होगा, my friend warned me against the pickpocket. Number 11, he said wonderful. इसको ध्यानपूर्वक सुनेगा, इसका इंटरेक्ट होगा, ही एक्सप्लेन्ड दैट इट वाज ए वंडरफुल। अगला सेंस बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंस है, 12वां नंबर, ही सेड बट लक, ही एक्सप्लेन्ड विद सॉरो दैट इट वाज एन अनफॉर्चुनेट, और ही सेड रिमोर्सफुली बट हिज लक वाज। Number 13, he said goodbye, but a calamity. He cried out with sorrow. It was a great calamity. He said, could I win? He said, could I but win the prize? He special wish that it could but win the prize. He said, no, God knows that I am honest. He called sorely God to the witness that he was honest. He said, oh, that I could see my mother. He wished that he could see his mother. The stranger said to me, time please. देखो ये कैसे इसका ट्रांस किया गया है, ध्यानपूर्वक सुनिएगा. The stranger requested me to tell him time. The builder said, a thief, capture the thief. The builder loudly called out the people to capture the thief. Number 19, he said, by heaven, I am innocent. He swore his God that he was innocent. Number B, the teacher said to the boy, look, this your fault. The teacher invited the attention to the boy and told him that what was his mistake. Number 18, curse the cruel villain, she said. She cursed him for a cruel villain. Number 20, the student said to the teacher, I shall dismiss if you are late again. The student warned the clerk that he would dismiss him if he was late again. Number 3, my friend said to me, don't put off till tomorrow what you can do today. My friend told me not to put off till tomorrow what you can do today. Number 20, my friend said to my father, let me do this work. My friend proposed my father that he might be allowed to do that work. Number 20, she said to her friend, oh, examination comes of the next month. She told her friend that their examination would come of the following month. Number 30, my uncle said to me, if you go to Delhi, I shall bring a book for you. My uncle told me that if I went to Delhi, he would bring a book for me. Number 5, he said, my Lord, I swear before heaven that I have not committed crime. Addressing the honor, he swore by God that he had not committed the crime. Number 5, he said, by heaven, I have not stolen your book. He swore that he had not stolen this book. Number 30, he said, no, I shall not help you. He did not agree to help me. और एक और बन सकता है, he refused to help me. सीधा हो गया साहब. Number 30, teacher said to me, I hope you get through the examination. The teacher hoped me that he gets through the examination. Number 30, Mohan said to me, cheer up, friend, don't lose heart. Every dark crowd has a silver lining. Mohan encouraged and advised me not to lose heart and reminded that every black cloud is a living lining. Number 30, he said, hello, are you here? He was surprised to see him there. Number 30, he said, can you help me, my friend? The friend said no. He asked his friend if he could help him. The friend replied that he could not. Number 20, he said to him, how do you want money? He asked him how he did and whether he wanted money. Number 20, so help me heaven, he cried, I will never steal again. By God, he observed that he would never steal again. Number 30, he examined, let things will be done. Oh God, he especially wished that the will of God will be prevailed. Number 70, the teacher said, look here, boy, only diligent person succeed in life. The teacher invited the attention of the boy to the fact that only decent persons succeed in life. Number 30. Accuser said, "Sir, I am innocent." Accuser pleaded that he is innocent. And number 30. Please do not go to the hunger strike, sir, she said against airline. She respectfully said that I should not go on the hunger strike against their airline. Number 40. He said I did not call his name. He denied that he had not called his name. Number 41. Are you on a diet? The hostess asked me. No. I said I am not just trying to follow Gandhi. The hostess asked me if I was on diet. He replied that he had such intention that he was just trying to follow Gandhi ji. Number 42. He said to me, children have no manner, but at least they are honest. They were never pretend. Achha. He told himself that children had not manner, but consoled himself with the thought that they were at least honest and never pretended. Number 43. She screamed, let us go to the poor father. Worried about the poor father, she uttered that we should go to him. Number 43. They had the card. He continued, but no, nothing of the play. He continued himself that they had the card, but no, nothing of the play. Number 45. Do not you see, rash? I am the middle of my fan. Delinquent Chacha scolded. Delinquent Chacha scolded him by calling him a rash, and he asked him if he did not perceive he was in the middle of his fan. Number 40. My father said to me, I am afraid you will miss the bus. My father was afraid lest I would miss the bus. Number 47. The teacher said to the boy, if you make a mistake, I will punish you. The teacher continued to punish the boy if he made such a mistake again. Number 30. He said to his friend, welcome. इसका जो इंटेक्ट होगा, he welcomed his friend. ओम शांति।